Well, welcome back, folks, and it is corn harvest day here on the farm. Out here, got the crew shucking and bagging up corn. Papa's back here; he's cutting it down. Hoping we're gonna have a decent little harvest out of here. I think last time we got like 15 sacks. Maybe we'll do at least that, and maybe a little better this time. We're going to get the tractor here shortly and come out here and put these sacks of corn in a bucket and get it out of here. Be back with you guys shortly. All right, guys. We're out here loading up some of this corn. With 21 sacks out of this harvest. Last year we only got 15, or last harvest. A lot better harvest this crop, and I think it might have been where we used the commercial seed, the Pioneer brand seed. so far. But we're gonna get all these out here, and when we get them over here to the house, I'll be back and show you the pile. All right, guys, we made it back here. This is now this is still on the cob. It ain't been shelled off the cob yet. We still got to lay it out and dry it. But we ended up with 21 sacks. Last year we only had 14 or 15. I'm not sure. It was one of the two. But you can go back in my last video, check it out, or last corn harvest. So this land here that we leased, this is our second cropping on it. We got one more to go. We leased it for 3 harvests for a year. So got one more to go. So we're gonna get it tractored back up and get it planted here just as soon as we can. And I hope we get a little bit of rain. It's been kind of dry here lately. But tomorrow we will be, Papa and some of them might be working on this one. I got a hard-working father-in-law. He's a great guy. Can't beat him. 63-year-old, and he works circles around a 20-year-old. But all this, all the way down the length of our property down to the river, we planted in corn. So we got to get it harvested too. It's ready to go. It's a little garden up here. Trying to keep the chickens out of it. It has some pechi growing, and the daggum chickens has eat it all. Put this net around it, they still fly over it. But that's all I got for right now. This is Matt Cottle, hillbilly in the Philippines, and we'll catch you on the next video.